Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect circles in AutoCAD. This method focuses on creating a precise tangent line between two existing circles. It's a fundamental skill for accurate drafting. We'll use specific object snap settings to ensure your connections are perfectly aligned. This technique is essential for many design tasks, providing clean and professional results every time. Before drawing, ensure your AutoCAD environment is set up correctly. First, locate the Object Snap button on your status bar, usually at the bottom of the screen. Click it to open the Settings menu. From there, make sure the Tangent Snap is checked. It's also a good practice to temporarily disable other snaps you don't need, preventing AutoCAD from snapping to unintended points. Now, let's draw the tangent line. Begin by typing L into the command line and pressing Enter to activate the line command. Next, move your cursor over the first circle. You'll see the green tangent snap icon appear. Click on the circle when this icon is visible. Then, repeat this process for the second circle, clicking when the tangent snap appears there. Press Enter to finish the command. After drawing, it's crucial to verify your tangent connection. Zoom in very closely to where the line meets each circle. You should observe that the line touches each circle at precisely one point, without crossing inside or extending beyond. This visual check confirms the accuracy of your tangent line. If necessary, you can use the dist command to measure distances and ensure perfect alignment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.